pocket where the air is low. Bacteroides is the first to show a steady presence in the dark and deep, breaking down the secrets that the gums might keep. Tannerella joins a shapeshifter in the crowd, silent and sneaky, never acting loud. Linked to the damage, it thrives in the gloom, making the space for the trouble to bloom. The shadows of the mound have hidden form, living where the oxygen is found no more. In the biofilm city, they take their stand, the toughest residents in all the land. Porphyromonas arrives with a gingival sting, a red carpet's leader, the pathogen king. With black pigmented armor, it starts the fight, turning the healthy gums into a plague. Prevotella finishes the microbial team, thriving on the proteins in a steady stream. When the cycle turns and the swelling grows, it's another name